Hi everyone, Abby here, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Now today I'm going to be unboxing the new Apple Watch SE 3 smartwatch. And I have the smartwatch here in the 40mm GPS version here in the color Starlight with a Starlight colored sport band.
And this watch comes out in another great color as well, which you could see on screen.
And just so you guys know, the current price as of recording today is $329.99 Canadian and $249.99 American for this smartwatch here. All right, guys, now I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this, what you guys came here to see. That is really pretty packaging. Here is the watch and here is the band. I'm gonna go ahead and open up the band first for you guys. And this is the medium large size band. There's also little instructions on how to attach the band here. So I'm just going to start off with the charging cord here. Which is a USB-C on one end and a magnetic charger on the other end. There's also some paperwork here. You can see a little quick start guide here. There's some kind of battery safety product information as well. And let's get to the watch. And now let's go ahead and connect the band, which connects pretty easily. You kind of just slide this in. All right, guys, so here it is right out the box. And if you guys are finding this video helpful so far, please go ahead and smash that like button for me. I'd really appreciate it. And as the display is turning on, you guys will get a first look at it here. All right, so you guys can see the display is pretty contrasting and it is pretty large for the size of the watch we have here, which is a 40mm. And now I'm gonna go ahead and try this on so you can see what it looks like on me. All right, guys, so this is what it looks like on me. Starlight here is more of a kind of silver meets light gold in my opinion. And another thing I'm noticing is that this is very lightweight. Like I hardly feel it on my wrist, which is surprising for the size of the smartwatch. I do have a 7-inch wrist. And I've gone ahead and put all the wrist sizes this could fit on screen for you guys so you can see if it'll work for you. I do go up to about, I think, the 4th hole here. So there's still a good amount of room left over. So this can definitely fit a good amount of wrist sizes for this medium large size band here. But if you do have a smaller wrist, you can definitely get the small medium band. Now, if you guys are looking to pick up the Apple Watch SE 3 here, I've gone ahead and left a link down in the description for you to use. So just as a quick recap, this is what came in the package here. We have the charger, we have the watch, and we have the band. All right, guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead and set this thing up, test it out. And once I get a real feel for it, I'm gonna come back on an AbbyBReviewing Tech Tuesday soon to do a full review for you guys on the new Apple Watch SE 3 here. So make sure you're subscribed with your post notification bell turned on so you don't miss that video. And I'm also doing a review on the Apple Watch Series 11. And if you guys want to see that unboxing, you'll find that coming up at the top right, also linked in the description below. And that's all I have for today. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.